Every time you hit the ball hits you with the same force and intensity, but in the opposite direction. And this is part of Newton's famous 3 laws. To understand Newton's first law, or law of inertia, imagine you're driving a car. When the car suddenly stops, you would be thrown. What happens is that bodies tend to stay the way they are. In other words, if you're moving, you'll keep moving. And if you're stationary, you'll remain stationary. That's good. What if we apply a force? Imagine that someone has to push a box. When we push something, we apply a force, and this force can cause a movement. And the greater the force applied to the box, the greater the speed. This is Newton's second law, also known as the fundamental principle of dynamics, which says that the resultant force is equal to the mass of a body times its acceleration. Now imagine that you kick a stone. When you kick it, a force is applied to it, and it rolls away because it has gained speed. But your foot starts to hurt, and that's because it also applies a reaction force of the same intensity and in the opposite direction. This is Newton's third law, also known as the law of action and reaction.